evening, New Yorkers. We have interrupted the following commercials with breaking news. The New York Police Department is searching for a woman armed with a spoon. If anyone sees her or has any information, please call 911. And now we have Michael live in Cethelo Park with our weather for the evening. Michael?
Good evening, New York. We're here with your accurate weather forecast. We're here in Brooklyn, Bensonhurst, Cethelo Park. Your temperatures are going to stay around 35 to 40. It's pretty cold out still. Winds are going to stay around 10 to 16 miles an hour. Your pressure is going to be at 13.18. Humidity is going to stay around 66%. It's still very wet on the ground. It just finished raining. Your visibility is going to stay around 7 to 13 miles an hour, depending on where you are. And as you can see, the park is really calm today. A lot of people say there's violence in New York, but there isn't really any. Alright, I shouldn't waste your time, New York. Good night. Was that her? Never mind.